Next is question number 81, which says that out of n persons sitting at a round table, 4 persons are chosen at random. The probability that no 2 of these 4 are sitting next to one another is, let us say this is the round table and here we have n people sitting over here. We have to choose 4 persons so that no one is sitting next to one another, right? Now, firstly, let us select any one person from this round table by NC1 ways, right? In NC1 ways, I have selected one person. Now, अब ये हमने सेलेक्ट कर लिया है तो इसको हम सेलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, इसको हम सेलेक्ट नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज जो दूसरा बंदा है वो उसके नेक्स्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? सो हाउ मेनी पीपल वी आर लेफ्ट विद? 3 माइनस कर देंगे, दैट इज वी आर लेफ्ट विद n-3 पर्सन्स नाउ, राइट? अब इन n-3 पर्सन्स को हम स्ट्रेट लाइन में बिठा देते हैं, राइट? n-3 persons को हमने स्ट्रेट लाइन में बिठा दिया, where we have to select 3 people here. Let us say I have selected this person and this person. ये 3 बंदे मैंने select कर लिए. तो let us say इस बंदे के लेफ्ट में x1 लोग बैठे हैं और इन फर्स्ट और सेकंड पर्सन के बीच में x2 लोग बैठे हैं और इन दोनों के बीच x3 लोग बैठे हैं and here on the right hand side we have x4 persons, right? तो here we will have the condition that x2 comma x3 should be greater than equal to 1. At least one person should be there between these two persons, right? And x1 comma x4 should be greater than equal to 0. First person के left में कोई ना भी हो तो भी चलेगा, right? Now these are the conditions that we have to apply. अब n-3 में से 3 लोग मैंने select कर लिए हैं, ये 3 मैंने select कर लिए हैं. So we can say that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to n-6, right? We have subtracted 3 from here. So it can further be written as x1 plus x2 minus 1 plus x3 minus 1 plus x4 is equal to n-8, right? So we can say that x1 plus x2 dash plus x3 dash plus x4 is equal to n-8, where all 4 are greater than equal to 0. Hence, number of solutions of this will be n-8, that is n, plus 4 minus 1, that is 3, C3, that is equal to n-5, C3, that is the required number of elements in event E will be equal to NC1 into n-5 C3, right? Now the question is not complete here because जैसे हमने ये वाला person पहले select किया तो similarly any 4 of them would have been selected, तो वो 4 बार जो है cases repeat कर गए. So here we will divide it by 4. So these are the number of elements in event E. Now number of elements in sample space will be equal to, from n persons we have to select any 4 people, so that is NC4. Now probability of the required event E will be equal to NC1, that is n, into n-5 C3, that is n-5 factorial, upon n-8 factorial into 3 factorial into 4. And here we have n factorial upon n-4 factorial into 4 factorial. Now 4 factorial can be cancelled with these two. So this will be equal to n-5 into n-6 into n-7 upon n-1 into n-2 into n-3. This is the required probability that is given in option number 2. Hence this is the correct answer. Next is question number 82, which says that the angle of elevation of the top of a tower at a point on the ground is 45 degrees. If on walking 10 meters towards the tower, the angle of elevation becomes 60 degrees, then the height of the tower is. A simple question from heights and distance. Let's say this is the diagram. So the angle of elevation from this point is given to be 45 degrees and on walking 10 meters towards it, the angle of elevation becomes 60 degrees. So we have to find the height of the tower, that is h. Let us say this is a. Now this is tan 45, so this is h. So a plus 10 is equal to h, right? Also tan 60, that is root 3, is equal to h upon a. Now we have to find h, so let us eliminate a. That is root 3 into a, that is h minus 10 is equal to h. That is root 3h minus h is equal to 10 root 3. That is h is equal to 10 root 3 upon root 3 minus 1. So rationalizing it, we will get 10 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 upon a square minus b square, that is 2. So this is equal to 5 into 3 plus root 3 meters. That is the correct answer, is option number 4. Next is question number 83, which says that if the letters of the word letter are written down at random, then the chance that no two T's or E's are together is. Now to solve this type of question, what we have to do is to find the number of elements in event E. This will be equal to number of words when no two T's are together. इसमें से we will subtract the cases, that is number of words formed when no two T's are together but two E's are together. एक कंडीशन तो देखो हमने दोनों में लगाई हुई है, दैट इज नो टू टीज आर टुगेदर. अब ईज के लिए हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पर ईज जो है दे आर इन एनी कंडीशन एंड इन द सेकेंड केस ईज आर टुगेदर. तो ऑल द केसेस में से टू ईज व्हेन दे आर टुगेदर वो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, तो वी आर लेफ्ट विद द केसेस व्हेन टू ईज आर आल्सो नॉट टुगेदर, राइट? सो दिस इज इक्वल टू, सो द वर्ड्स आर टी टी E, E and L, R. These are the words. Now number of words formed when no two T's are together. इनको मुझे together नहीं करना है, तो इसको मैं बाद में रखती हूँ गैप मेथड से. ठीक है, इतने पहले हम इन चारों को अरेंज कैसे करेंगे? 4 factorial upon 2 factorial ways में I have arranged E, E, L, R. Now we have 4 letters के बीच में we have 5 spaces. तो 5 में से मैंने कोई 2 spaces select कर ली for the 2 T's, right? अब उनको तो हम एक ही तरीके से अरेंज कर सकते हैं, राइट? माइनस नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स व्हेन नो टू टीज आर टुगेदर बट टू ईज आर टुगेदर. ठीक है, नाउ इन दिस केस व्हाट आई हैव डन इज ई को हमने एक पोटली में बांध दिया. ठीक है, ये एक साथ है. ठीक है, और टीज को हमने बाद में रखना है गैप मेथड से. अब ये एक ही है हमारे पास, 2 और हैं. ठीक है, 3 हमारे पास लेटर को हमें अरेंज करना है इन 3 फैक्टोरियल वेज. इन तीनों को मैंने अरेंज कर दिया एंड इन बिटवीन दीज वी हैव ओनली 4 स्पेसेस बिकॉज ये दोनों तो एक साथ ही हैं. ठीक है, तो वी हैव 4 स्पेसेस. 4 में से कोई भी 2 स्पेसेस मैंने सेलेक्ट किए फॉर 2 T's. ठीक है, सो दीज आर द नंबर ऑफ वेज. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 12 into 5C2, that is equal to 10, minus 6 into 6, this is equal to 120 minus 36, that is equal to 84. Now total number of ways, that is number of elements in sample space, will be equal to, we have 6 letters, 6 factorial upon, as 2 T's and 2 E's are repeating, so we will divide by 2 factorial and 2 factorial. So this is equal to 720 upon 4, that is equal to 180. Hence the required probability will be equal to 84 upon 180, that is equal to, cancelling by 4 we will get 21 upon, cancelling by 3 we will get 7 upon 15. That is the correct answer will be option number 2. Next is question number 84, which says that the sum of solutions of the equation tan 3x equal to tan x when x belongs from 0 to 2 pi is. Now it is known that the solution of tan theta equal to tan x is theta equal to x plus n pi, that is 2x equal to n pi. That is, we have x equal to n pi by 2. So from here we get that x is equal to, putting n equal to 0, we will get it equal to 0, and putting n equal to 1, we will get pi by 2, or pi, or 3 pi by 2, or 2 pi. Also here we have to see the domain of given function, that is x should not be equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. So from here these values will be cancelled. So we are left with 3 values, that is 0, pi and 2 pi. So the sum of the solutions will be 0 plus pi plus 2 pi, that is 3 pi. That is, the correct answer is option number 2. Next is question number 85, which says that two integers a and b are chosen one by one with replacement from the set 0, 1, 2 up till 10. The probability that the equation x square plus ax plus b equal to 0 has equal roots is. Now, for this equation to have equal roots, discriminant d should be equal to 0. That is, a square minus 4b equal to 0, or we can say that a square is equal to 4b. This is the condition that we have to satisfy. Now, a and b will be chosen from this set. So, if the value of b is equal to 0, then a will also be equal to 0. If b is equal to 1, then a will be equal to 2. If b is equal to 2, then a cannot take any integral value. Similarly, b cannot be equal to 3, but b can be equal to 4, which will give us a equal to 4. Similarly, b can be equal to 9, where a will be equal to 6. Right? So these are the only possibilities through which we can have equal roots for the given quadratic equation. Hence, the probability of the required event will be equal to 4 upon, that is, number of choosing a and b is 11 into 11. That is equal to 4 upon 121. That is, the correct answer will be option number 2.